Hi guys, for this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your country in Google Play Store. Click your Play Store app and then click the profile icon. Now, I want you to tap in Payments and Subscription. After clicking this, find the payment methods and then click it. After clicking it, just scroll down a little until you see more payment settings. Now, it will redirect us to payments.google.com. Click the menu button in payments.google.com, which is in the top left corner of the screen, and then click the settings. Now scroll a little until you find country or region. Click the pencil icon beside it and then create a new profile. Click the continue. And then I want you to select a country that you want to use for this modification. Now after selecting a country, click the continue button. And then here is it. You must input real address and proper details here. Now after inputting the necessary details, you can now click the submit button. And that's it. A new profile has been created and this belongs to the country that you just modified earlier. And I want to remind you that this country will only appear once Google Play Store has completely identified that this is your real address using your IP address. And that is how to change your country in Google Play Store, and thank you for listening.